Hello friends, in today's video we will learn spices name. Let's start the video. Cloves, cloves. Green cardamom, green cardamom. Black cardamom, black cardamom. Black pepper, black pepper. Nutmeg, nutmeg. Mace, mace. Bay leaf, bay leaf. Cumin seeds, cumin seeds. Star anise, star anise. Carom seeds, Carom seeds. Mustard seeds. Poppy seeds, poppy seeds. Caraway seeds, Caraway seeds. Fennel seeds, Fennel seeds. Coriander seeds, Coriander seeds. Sesame Seeds, Sesame Seeds. Fenugreek Seeds, Fenugreek Seeds. Nigala Seeds, Nigala Seeds. Turmeric, Turmeric. Cinnamon stick, Cinnamon stick. Red chili, Red chili. Dry ginger, Dry ginger. Asafoetida, Asafoetida. Basil seeds, Basil seeds. Oregano, Oregano. Curry leaves, Curry leaves. Dry fenugreek leaves, Dry fenugreek leaves. Salt, Salt. Rock salt, Rock salt. White pepper, White pepper. Paprika, Paprika. Long pepper, Long pepper. Capers, Capers. Dry mango powder, Dry mango powder. Rosemary, Rosemary. Peppermint, Peppermint. Betel nut, Betel nut. Black stone flower, Black stone flower. Alkanet roots, Alkanet roots. Vanilla, Vanilla. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more educational videos.